Hello everyone, I'm Ruchika. Today I'm gonna tell you how you can use quizzes.com to frame your own quiz for your students as well as for your friends. So let us start. First I'm going to show you some PPTs. Thereafter I'll tell you how to search quizzes.com on Google, and further steps I'll tell you on the Google. So let us start. This is your first step. First you need to write quizzes.com on the Google. Thereafter the window will appear. This is the home screen for quizzes.com. Here we can have three options: join a game, login and sign up. These are three options. Join a game is for those who want to join by entering a game code or by clicking on the game link. They are the participants which can join the game. Login is for those who have already used quizzes.com and they are the already users of quizzes.com. Sign up is for those who are using quizzes.com for the first time. So many of us are trying quizzes.com for the first time, so we need to sign up. It will ask you about sign up with the Google or your Gmail account, or you can enter your email ID, that could be at Rediff, Yahoo. This is your choice ki whether you want to start with the Gmail account or your email ID. After entering your Gmail account or your email ID, it will ask you ki you want to start at a school level, at business level or for personal use. So most of us are from the teaching background. We need to select at school level. Click on at school level. Thereafter click on a teacher if you are a teacher, and if students are using, they'll click on the student. So click on I'm a teacher, and after clicking on this, the home screen for quizzes.com will appear. See, these are the options which are offered by the quizzes.com. To create your own quiz, you will click on this plus button, create. So let us move on google.com. I'm signing up again, and here I'll show you how you can sign up with your email ID. I'm signing with my Gmail account because I'm the already user of quizzes.com. So they will not ask me about whether you are using at a school level, you are a teacher or student, because I've already completed those steps. So here we'll start to create our own quiz. Before starting quiz, quizzes.com will ask you whether you want to create your own quiz or you want to teleport from the quizzes.com. Teleport means there are so many quizzes which are already available. You can directly pick any quiz and share with your students. But if you want to create your own quiz, click on the plus sign button, create, then quiz. Name your quiz, like I'm entering general knowledge. Choose your relevant subject. If you're English teacher, click on English. From physics background, click on physics, and for education purpose, click on education. This is your own choice. Then next. See, it will offer you 4 different options for creating your question. Multiple choice question you can create. You can choose checkbox, fill in the blank, open-ended, and this is the name of our quiz. We can add grades for whom you are creating, for the first class, KG class, or 12th class. You can add that also. You can add a quiz image also. So let us add a quiz image. For entering quiz image, I'll take it the image from Google. Directly I will enter the quiz image address, copy image address, paste it here, selecting grade, like I'm selecting from first to university, and save. See, your image is already added here. This is our quiz image. So start with the question, new question, click on multiple choice, checkbox, fill in the blank, that is your own wish. I would be starting first question with the multiple choice, like I'm typing my question: how many districts are in Haryana? This is my question. I'm putting the answer option. The student can select 20, 21, 22 or 26. You also need to click on the right answer. The right answer is 22, so click on this. See, the radio button has highlighted in green color. This is our correct answer. Further, we can add time limit for our students. In this, you can see 30 seconds is time allotted to our students. We can alter this 20 seconds, 60 seconds, 1 minute, and save. Our first multiple choice question is ready. Click on next question, checkbox. Here you can add an image also. You can copy image from your laptop, or you can straight away add your image from the Google. First, I'm telling you how to add image from your laptop. Media, drag and drop, or click here to upload. Click on the plus sign. I'm adding an image from my desktop. Who is this famous personality? Ratan Tata, Narendra Modi, McCarthy, or Mukesh Ambani. So my right answer is Ratan Tata. Click on this. Same as we have done earlier, alter your time limit, say 10 seconds, and then save. We are ready with our second question. Move on to third question. Fill in the blank. You can write question in the form of fill in the blank, like Mr. Narendra Modi is India's dash, and the answer could be Prime Minister. alternative, PM. Alternative, why we are adding alternative? Because some people would say Prime Minister, some would say PM, or some would say Pradhan Mantri. In this way you can add many alternative. So I've written three options: Prime Minister, PM, Pradhan Mantri, or India's PM. Similarly you can add more option. Time limit 60 seconds. I'm taking it as 20 seconds and save. This is my third question is ready. Next, new question. I'm taking it as an open-ended question, and here I'm adding an image from Google. So for this, copy image address, paste it here. There is something wrong, so I need to select the image address again. Copy image address, media, then save. See, your image is added here. This is an open-ended question. You can ask, who is this famous star? Here you don't have to give your answer because this is an open-ended question. Who is this famous star? 20 seconds and then save. In this way you can create your own questions. Here I have created 4 questions. You can add 5, 6, 7 as per your choice. See, my general knowledge question is ready. First one is this, and the right answer is 22. Second one is with an image. Third one is with the fill in the blank, and fourth one is open-ended. Click on done. Your quiz is ready with 4 questions. After clicking on done, you can assign homework to your students. Click on assign homework, and deadline for completing this homework is August 28. You can alter this, or you can take it as it is given it to you. I'm altering it to 29th August. This is deadline for our students. Alter your time कि this quiz should be completed till 1 or till 6:30 PM, and then continue. When you click on continue, Quizizz.com will offer you a quiz code. This is your quiz code, and you can share it with your students through a link. For this time, I am sharing this quiz code with my students. The quiz code is 44695936. This you would share with your students. Let us see how students will try this quiz. I'm signing out. Clicking on the left side, you can sign out from Quizizz.com. Till this, the teacher work is done. Now come it onto the student's perspective. How student will play this quiz? They will click on join a game, and how they would join? They would join by entering the quiz code. The quiz code which you have generated was 44695936. Join and see how student will play this game. Enter your name. Say your name is Simran. Start your game. The quizzes will tell you how many questions you have. Start again. See, your first question will appear on the screen. How many districts are in Haryana? The correct answer is 22, and it will show you the correct answer. Simran has got 600 points. Who is this famous personality? Ratan Tata. Submit. Mr. Narendra Modi is India's, I'm writing, PM. This is also correct, and you are coming with the fourth question. See, 3 questions have already attempted and will be having our fourth question. Write your response. I would be writing Priyanka Chopra and then submit. This is how a student will complete their quiz, and the quiz is completed. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.